Good morning, students.
Good morning, teacher.
Today I want to check your homework. Please take it out.
The students take out their homework. The teacher scans the room and notices some students without their homework.
John, I see you didn't complete your homework. Can you tell me why?
I'm sorry, teacher. I couldn't do my homework because I was sick.
Oh, I see. I'm sorry to hear that. How are you feeling now?
I'm feeling better now. Thank you, teacher.
That's good to hear. Next time please let me know if you are sick and cannot do your homework, okay?
Yes, teacher. I will.
Alright. Since you were sick, I understand. But try to catch up on your work when you feel better. If you need any help, just ask me.
Thank you, teacher. I will.
You're welcome. Sarah, I see you didn't complete your homework either. Can you explain why? I was sick too, teacher. You were sick as well. That's interesting. When were you sick, Sarah? Yesterday and the day before. I see. I hope you are feeling better now. Yes, I feel better today. Well, it's important to be honest, Sarah. If you were sick, I understand. But if you weren't, it's not good to lie. I'm sorry, teacher. I wasn't really sick. I just didn't do my homework. Thank you for telling the truth, Sarah. It's very important to be honest. Next time, if you're having trouble with your homework, please let me know. I'm here to help. Okay, teacher. I'm sorry. It's alright, Sarah. Just remember to always be honest and do your best. Now let's get back to our lesson. If you need any help, just raise your hand. Yes, teacher. Thank you.